smoking and inhaling every moment. It was reckless in the only I can see it in your eyes.
Hey guys, it's Mannat and today I'm going to show you how to make an icy slime. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get on with it. The things you need is some clear glue and instant snow. I have it in this like little container thingy, so it will be a little easier. So yeah, that's my instant snow. A bowl, a stick or a spoon to mix it with, but I like the stick, a random stick, and this little container just to activate the snow. So yeah, let's get on with it. So first I'm activating the snow. And then I'm adding the snow into the clear glue. It's a yellow clear glue. I painted it yellow just because I wanted a frozen lemonade kind of thing. And add this snow until it looks like a sugar scrub from Lush, if you have seen that. And yeah, activate it until it becomes slime. I'm gonna show you what's the result in the next clip. Okay, so yeah, this is the final result, but like it's a really nice icy slime. It inflates a ton and it has some great bubble pops. It's a bit sticky, but you would expect that with snow. So yeah, I'm just gonna activate it so yeah, it's really nice slime. So like the color isn't showing. I colored my clear glue to yellow just because I wanted like a frozen lemonade kind of slime. So yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, you know the drill. If you want to watch my previous video, click right over there, and if you want to see the whole binge watch my whole playlist, the playlist would be right over there. And if you want to subscribe and be the part of our family, just click over here. So yeah, bye. I love you so much.